everybody, Keith. Welcome back. We'll currently be looking at the article from CoinMarketCap blog. Says crypto is forbidden in Indonesia's religious council. Says so. Article is written by Leo Jacobson, Market Musings. So we're going to dive in right here into this article. So guys, if at the end of this article, if you find it informative, if you find it helpful, if you find it beneficial, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up. You can like, share. Drop your comments or your feedback in the comment section. We'll try as much as possible to get back to you. On table of contents, you said government support for crypto. So Indonesia's religious council has declared trading cryptocurrency haram or forbidden under Sharia law. So Bloomberg reported on November 11 that the National Ulema Council, or MUI, banned Muslims from trading cryptocurrency as it has elements of identity, wagering, and arm. However, the ruling has some wiggle room, according to Niam Shole, head of religious decrees. Bloomberg reported. So, if the cryptocurrency is used as a commodity or digital asset and can meet Sharia's doctrinal requirements and can show it has a clear benefit, then trading would be permissible, he added. So, MUI's ruling does not have the force of law, Bloomberg said, although it will likely deter traders as well as giving local companies pause before issuing cryptocurrencies. So, guys, we also have CoinMarketCap's podcast available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. You can also get direct access to it here. So, I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to them. They usually have informative interviews with top crypto influencers, and you can check out their opinions on crypto news and other crypto happenings, guys. So, guys, government support for crypto. So that said, the government has encouraged cryptocurrencies, allowing them to be traded as commodities since 2018. In 2019, it created a legal framework for trading, and in 2020, regulations for local cryptocurrency exchanges such as Indonesia and Binance backed Toku Crypto. So many major exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Bittrex, also serve the country. So in May, Reuters reported that Indonesia's government was considering a tax on cryptocurrency trading. The government has banned using crypto as payment. So more than 85% of the 275 million people in Indonesia are Muslim. See, according to the US Census Bureau, it is also the world's fourth largest country after China, India, and the United States. So given that China recently banned its 1.4 billion citizens from trading in cryptocurrency, the two countries make up about 20% of the world population, and while India is moving away from earlier indications it would ban cryptocurrencies, if the Anti-Crypto Reserve Bank of India wants gets its way, another 1.34 billion people would find crypto officially off limits. So that would make 38% of the world's 7.8 billion people are banned from trading cryptocurrencies. So guys, that's all we have today from our CoinMarketCap's blog. If you find this informative, if you find these updates helpful, feel free to like, share this video, and below this video you can also click on the subscribe button. We'll be giving out giveaways for all our subscribers, first 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers. So you want to stay with us to the end. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Peace out, guys, and stay safe.